Guys, today we're going to talk about the Strencor training band. So these are some of my favorite bands. They're at a great price point. They're 100% natural latex. They're the 41-inch loop bands, and we'll talk a little bit about variable resistance. So you understand something as simple as a chest press, okay? So you're going to be stronger at the end range of motion, which of course, doing any amount of bench press with any amount of weight, so you've heard the word, hey man, help me get this off my chest. Okay, so a little weaker in the lower range, a little stronger in the end range. Okay, so interesting about the band allows for the variance of the resistance to increase as you go through the motion. So as I go further into my press, the band gets harder where I get stronger. So the bands, of course, can be used by themselves, but in combination with some of the Strencor, like the Strencor Elite half rack, where there's hooks to hold the bands to add resistance to your strength training exercises. So this band, which can be used for, of course, something like a chest press or something like a shoulder press movement, any type of row, you can double it up, put it on the floor and go through a deadlift motion, which would be like this. So if it's on the floor and I step on, sit down and load up, the deadlift, I'm always weaker at the bottom of the movement, so the resistance at the bottom isn't as hard, and as I go to the top, it gets a lot stronger. So for example, the band could be used by itself. The band, just an example, maybe 1x resistance at the bottom and say 4x resistance at the top. Well, you make that 135 pounds or whatever your deadlift is, and you weight that and you add band resistance, it's 135 at the bottom range. At the top range, it's considerably different variance because of the added variability caused by the band. Similar to chains, easier to get on and off, multi-use, lots of different sizes, and hey, for the guys and girls that are super strong, hey, you can give the Strencor orange band a try, and that thing is a monster. So guys, that's the Strencor band. Very affordable, very durable, all-purpose band, perfect for any type of strength training, whether you're using the band by itself or combining it with your favorite resistance exercises. Look, if you have any questions on any of these bands, any of the exercises, feel free to send us a message. We'd love to help you out. See you next time.